Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I've been just getting this little border ready. This is from the edge of the greenhouse. This is my back border I did last year, planted up with plants I divided and stuff I've grown from seed, peonies and aqualegias, delphiniums. So yeah, some climbers still flowering. Beautiful rose there. As we come around here, I have my hydrangeas. I took this was from my neighbour last year. She moved out, and it only took 4 or 5. I think it took 5. I've 4 that have come up, so it's not bad. 80% success rate. But the reason this one died is because I left it out, didn't water it. But I'm really surprised I actually got a flower on this one. As you can see, where they've been left to dry out, the leaves had died, but they've come back well. And this is the final video with these. I'll probably post another one when these flowers actually do come out, but I'm just going to show you how I go about planting them out. So yeah, this is my border here, as you can see, all the way from over there. All this is new, so all these are brand new plants this year. Nice begonias at the back. They're from Fabrics Nurseries, really nice begonias, top quality. I think they're about £14–15 each, but well worth it. Show begonias, the flowers are going to be amazing. Anyway, with the hydrangeas, first of all, I'm just going to have one in each corner. So that's one just there, be nice, and then I get another one over here in this corner. This is next to all the old potting compost. These are pots that I just let go to seed last year, so I've dumped them all out. I need to sort it all yet, but I'll put another one there, and I think we shall have to match that up. I think I should get a couple in the middle, so that's one in that corner. Let's see what shall we have one here, one this side of this porcelain. So we'll look at it, shall we? Let's just stand back just to make sure it looks alright. Good thing about doing this with pots, you can really get a good idea what it's going to look like. Yeah, I think that'll be nice. So yeah, I'll just show you how I go about planting these out. Get my spade. What you want to do with these, you don't want to plant them any deeper, you want them just at the same height they've grown in the pot. Give the pot a good knock. As you can see, nice root system there. If you're going to go just there, this is all really good soil. You've got to make sure compost in it as well. Yeah, really get it nice and soft. Dig it up well, like so. Not at the same level, we don't want any deeper. Back for like so. With your knuckles round. And you want to give it a good water then. Yeah. Once that's in like that, you kind of give it a really good soak. So, any air bubbles trapped. Get everything nice and wet. You're better off at this stage giving it too much water, not enough. So it'll just dry out quickly this time of year. As I've said, yeah, this was a little cutting last year, now I've got a flower bud on it. So yeah, these are really good hydrangea cuttings. So yeah, these are me planting them out. If you've got any questions on how to grow them, please don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Please keep safe. Bye.